Step into the future of farming, where advanced machinery is revolutionizing everything, taking over tasks that once required manual labor. Discover the incredible machine that's transforming agriculture with Tech Wizard. Oh my goodness, how could they possibly load that gigantic shipment onto the truck? In Australia, McAleese was entrusted with a task that was monumental both figuratively and literally. The shipment, nearly 200 tons, 15 meters tall and 15 meters wide, equivalent to the size of a small football field, was transported from Henderson to Anderson. With such weight and size, this was a real challenge. The team had to move very slowly and carefully through each short stretch of road. This sight was not only unusual, but also breathtakingly captivating, providing a thrilling and surprising experience for all who witnessed it. This is a massive transformer being transported by Gvildal Transport. The journey was far from simple, as the transformer had to cross a river and navigate winding, serpentine roads. However, thanks to the skill and meticulousness of the expert team, every stage of the process went smoothly and exceeded expectations. Their precise coordination and problem-solving abilities helped overcome all challenges, leading to an impressive result. Oh my! Before your eyes stands a towering beast unveiled by Torben Raffen and BMS Heavy Cranes. The LR 11350 is truly a monster, with an astonishing lifting capacity of up to 1,350 tons. This is not just a crane, but truly a mobile skyscraper. Watching it move feels like witnessing a giant titan take steps. Huge praise to Torben Raffen and BMS Heavy Cranes for adding this beast to their impressive fleet. I'm eagerly awaiting the extraordinary projects they will conquer with this monster. Have you ever witnessed a transport operation requiring 4 gigantic trucks to move? In this case, 3 tractors and 1 dolly came together to tackle the monumental task of moving a transformer weighing up to 240 tons. An unimaginable weight. Those entrusted with this responsibility needed not only high skill, but also exceptional intelligence and talent. They meticulously calculated each section of the route, from winding mountain roads to various other challenges. With their deftness and precise coordination, they successfully completed the transport, overcoming every difficulty with impressive results. At Hake near Caroy, VAR, the legendary Tatra 8158A8 struggled with a muddy, drenched slope where the wheels had almost no traction. Normally in such conditions, conventional methods like lowering tire pressure, fitting chains, or using tracks would help improve mobility. However, it seems the driver overlooked these measures. The scene was very impressive, but it wasn't an ideal way to showcase the Tatra's capabilities. Imagine how much pulling power it would take to move a machine weighing hundreds of tons. 4 powerful Volvo trucks operate in unison, hauling massive machines like the CAT 797B haul truck, wheel dozers, and other heavy mining equipment. Leading the charge are the Volvo FH16s, with support from Mercedes Actros trucks, moving together like an unstoppable mechanical force. Each truck combines its raw strength to create an incredible display of technology and engineering in action. An old truck, probably used to roaming the roads, this time got adventurous and ended up stuck in a muddy pit. Despite its best efforts, the blue truck struggled, and the more it tried to move, the deeper it sank. After a while of wrestling, it had to call for help, and the hero that arrived was none other than the Tatra, the strong, powerful, and rugged truck. With a single clean pull, Tatra rescued the blue truck from its predicament. It sorted this time, but next time, remember not to go on such reckless adventures again. The journey of transporting the ET-94 fuel tank from Marina del Rey to the California Science Center was a memorable event. This massive and delicate piece was moved by truck, with not only police and city officials closely monitoring the process, but also astronauts keeping an eye on it. Despite its enormous size and fragility, the trip went smoothly beyond expectations, completed in just 19 hours, impressing everyone with its precision and efficiency. Join me in witnessing the transport of one of the heaviest transformers from Legnano to a warehouse. The Fagioli team, known for handling massive loads, used 16 plus 16 axle pullers and a Schnabel trailer to carry the 300-ton machine. Two Iveco Tracker 560 trucks led, while an Astra HD9 pushed from the rear. Spanning 90 meters, the convoy weighed 660 tons. Every move was meticulously planned, showcasing the team's skill and precision. The crane operator is truly a master in the transport industry, and their skill can be compared to a brilliant magician. They make lifting a 50-ton machine onto a haul truck look so easy that I start wondering if I could ever parallel park that perfectly. The technique and movements are so smooth, like they've practiced it countless times. I always think to myself, when will I be able to do it like that? Especially when I can't even park my car in a straight line. When the Caterpillar 385C excavator finishes its massive task, it's time for it to head to a new work site. Watching the MN tractor trucks transport this giant machine through winding mountain passes and narrow tunnels to its destination is no easy journey. But this mission is essential because the excavator is the owner's moneymaker. It needs to keep working nonstop, with many more projects waiting ahead. A massive machine is on its way to take on a new mission, and with its colossal size, moving it on its own is nearly impossible. Each gigantic component has to be disassembled and transported using supersized trucks. Just the two wheels alone require a dedicated truck for transport. Can you imagine the sheer scale of it? Every part of this machine is awe-inspiring, and moving it becomes a complex and skillful operation. In front of you is a test between two powerful machines, the John Deere 9RX640 and the Case IH620 quad track, aiming to see which one has stronger pulling power and moves faster. The green machine on the right is the John Deere 9RX640, while the red one on the left is the Case IH620. After several tests on the same slope and switching positions, the results showed that the Case IH620 outperformed in every aspect. Its pulling power was stronger, and its speed was also more impressive compared to its rival. This is a fantastic demonstration of how we can harness the power of renewable energy while still minimizing the impact on surrounding communities. Lasso's ability to transport the gigantic blades of wind turbines along roads from urban areas to rural regions highlights the potential to build wind farms in more distant locations. This not only allows for cleaner energy production, but also reduces the dependence on urban energy grids, giving cities a chance to rely less on conventional power sources. It's truly remarkable. This is the pinnacle of the art of heavy transport. Eskom Rutech Industries is clearly showcasing its leadership in this field with the 2x14 axle dual-haul truck. This massive vehicle is not just a means of transportation, but a mechanical marvel, specially designed to handle enormous components with precision. The weight distribution across the axles and the ability to navigate sharp, treacherous turns is a clear testament to the engineering wonder. This is truly a spectacular, well-planned performance, as grand as a large-scale military exercise. The colossal move began early in the morning when the FLIUNJ 71 WRE, along with a 7-bed trailer and 7 towing bars, departed from Guldak. Their mission was to transport a massive 174-ton turbine to the Ferry Bridge power station. Like a gigantic mechanized convoy, these vehicles followed each other, slowly moving through the roads with every step carefully calculated to ensure absolute safety. Their journey was not just a transport operation, but a demonstration of power and precision. On February 9, 2022 in Hagen, an excavator had an accident and fell into the Volm River due to heavy rains that caused the water level to rise. The excavator tilted and ended up precariously resting on the water's surface. The accident had occurred a few days earlier, but due to the strong current and high water levels, rescue operations couldn't be carried out sooner. Finally, the rescue was conducted with the support of the Hagen Fire Brigade, on-site rescue teams, and divers from the Water Rescue Service, along with the presence of a volunteer fire brigade. 2 massive cranes, each weighing 60 tons, were brought in to assist. After about 4 hours of intense work, the excavator was successfully recovered.